Yo, Wuggy! You sure let yourself go, pal. Let's help him. Squish those pimples. All right! Go, go! Ah! What a mess! Intense! A poreless nose must happen! Nasty clogged nose. Not on our watch. Come on, girl. Squish to your heart's content. Come on. So gross. My God. Wait, Red. No, don't do it.
Ew.
Give me that boogie.
Oh?
But that gives her an idea. Here. How you like them apples? Poor Kate. She fills up her bubble. You're nothing but trouble. Now what? Come out wherever you are. Woohoo! And now, pop them pimples. Oh, that is gnarly. And there's always more where that came from. By golly. Ah, so intense. Have it with a cookie. Yes, really. Whoa, cool toy.
Oh.
Uni, you're what we call in the business turbo squishy. Nice. Check out what's inside. Whoa. Put the uni in and pump some air. You got it. This thing? No, not food. Friend? No. Fill that bubble. Add any kinds of toys you can think of. Glitter too. Wahoo! Slime. We just can't get enough. Now, wait for the yellow. And now, don't forget the fizzy.
Oh, wow!
Wait, what do AirPods have to do with anything? Oh boy, it's finally done. And it is squishy as ever. Hey, I need those. Come on, seriously, get them out. Kate! Delivery! Oh, you got her mad now, lady. She fills the glove with special slime. OMG!
That's it!
Now attach the squishy and knock yourself out. Yippee! Boring! Squish! Wipe that smile off your face. Much better.
Wah!
That's the strongest squid I've ever seen. Excuse moi.
Ah!
It's over. But we'll get back to the squid. Look at this goop.
Ew!
Kate decides to turn this tragedy into something great. Glue all the edges together. Eyes on you. Now that is the cutest little guy. And check it out. He's totally reversible. And hat-like. What's up? Someone here to see ya. Whoa! A fairy girl. She's so expensive.
Wow! Yes!
Time to snip, snip, snip. Glue on the edges. Now, Pika Pika. Oh, you know it. It's so cute. Huh? We'll take that.
Huh? Sorry!
Here we are. Blow the ball up. Wowza! So cool. Wait, where's your mother?
Oh!
Look at those squashmallows. And this magic candy toilet? No! I am totally not kidding. Dip your lolly plunger in anything.
Wow!
Sour special? Yeesh! Do your thing, Red. Yummy! Up to no good. Oh, hey, Kate! Huh? Oh, no! I think I know who's behind this.
Oh!
Just plant the melted chocolate. Trust me. Hole is done. Flip! Pull it apart after the choco solidifies. And there you have it. Milk chocolate toilet.
Wow! Huh? Oh!
Is that chocolate? Here, catch it. That's what a toilet is for. Okie dokie. Way ahead of me. Enjoy your cheap treat. Whee! Now what in the world do we have here? Attach a balloon and now pump! Up, up, up! Go! Whee! Let's try you, Fly Guy. Come on, girl. Pump a lumpa lumpa. Are you ready? On 3. Blast off! Whoa! Hey, Kate, behind you! No!
Whoa!
Gotcha!
I know.
Just you paint. I wonder what it'll be. Yellow. Coolio. Now we add doors. Windows. Nice! Open up. What is this creation, Kate? Oh yeah, I know. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Now, blow! Sayonara, losers! Cheapest car ever. Cool! What do we have here? A claw machine! Good luck with that one. You want the goods, you have to work for them. Got it! Oh yeah, hard work sure pays off. Chewy. Again? Come on, girl, don't stop till there's not a crumb left. Kate! Those are totally not yours. What you doing? A picker-upper? For free 99? Whoa! Add a claw machine. Kate, you're so right! Candies? Woo! Now you got it. Decorate as you please. There's no such thing as too much. Oh yeah! We're coming in hot! Go, Kate, go! Got one! Yeah, baby! That takes skill! The harvest was fruitful! Let's eat! Money equals saved! Whoa!
Huh? Ah!
You got it, my friend! It's tattoo time! Make it sparkly! Wow! Diamond gems too? Nice! Look at ya! You're covered in glitter! Oh yeah! Way too cool!
Yo, what you got?
Kate, you've been challenged!
No, there! Ah!
Cut the eraser into any shape you want. Kate makes a heart! Wow! Sorry!
No, no, what? Aw, man! Sorry.
She covers the eraser in lipstick and uses it as a tattoo machine. Oh my goodness gracious, you are a genius!
Wow. Take that!
Oh, hey, Teddy! So cute! Let me see your the squish craze! I've seen it before! Girl, that is not food! Marshmallow time! What next? Melt them! Trust me, just about done. Now just enjoy! Well, after you harness it for all its squish, let's see it! Is it dry now? Now you have a totally edible, well, brain. Now, what in the peanut farm do we have here, miss? Can't crunch.
You!
No! Your teeth! Gone! Anyway, just squish! Yeah, now you're getting the hang of it. Yo, Kate, look! You want to join in on the fun? After you! So many beads! What did Kate break her favorite bracelet for? Oh, a homemade squishy! Don't forget that precious face! Glue the cute little babies on there! Oh yeah, perfection! Works perfect! Cool! Huh.
Blech! Yeah, that's perfect!
Hey, I thought you were shopping for boots! Well, now that we're here, let's take care of this crud! Ha! Peel the crust off the toes! Come on! That's one good-looking toes! Whoa! Next time, color inside the lines, lady. She's ready. Doesn't fit.
Oh, wow! Check this out! Who do we have here in the toilet today? Oh my gosh, she's covered in slime! Ew! I know, I'll fix her up right away! Get these doctor gloves and start a poppin'! Pop! 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 Dang, she's really been there a while! Wipe, wipe! Wow, she looks good as new! So cool! I can use my face to paint around this cute little guy! Wow! So pretty! Ooh, let me swipe that. Thank you! There! Now I have this beautiful phone case. Hello? Yes! 5 stars it is! Have green slime over the cake! Something's hidden in the goo. Look! A cat! And now it's time for the potion that can bring this cat to life. Take the cap off. Glug glug! Meow! Wow! Look at my fluffy white kitty!
Achoo! Oh, I've got sticky slime. It's all green and, oh cool! I have a Play-Doh slime toy. All you need to do is stick the slime in the back and watch it ooze out. Mega yuck factor, lol.
Ugh.
Now let's get this off of him. Wowza. Trash. When there's an issue, use a tissue.
Wow!
He's clean now. What's with all this paint? This is amazing. Ooh, yum. Let's get all this goop off and get to work. Make a ball. Add some eyes. And glue the ball to your phone case. Add the ears and the cute little eyes. And now you've got the best phone case ever! Squeeze the little nose. So squishy. Selfie time. Peace.
Man, but her face is still all covered. No problem. That's what all-in-one protection toothpaste is for. Let's pull her out. Drizzle some water and lather her up. Here we are. Clean Barbie meet dirty Barbie. Let's give her a hand. And some sparkle. Brush her up. She's starting to look as good as new. So so pretty.
Yikes! I think something poopy happened. See anything? Oh no! So embarrassing! What to do, Nancy? Let's get these off ASAP. Wrap a rubber band around each part of the panties. Place it in the toilet and keep adding paint. Wowza! Rainbow boom! Now add foam. And be sure to mix it up. Soak the whole mixture in water. And you've got your own tie-dye pants. Check it out. Problem of any stain solved. And they look absolutely fabulous. Cool.
Finally, some relief.
Oh no. Looks like there's no toilet paper. It's fun to paint the roll, though.
Achoo! Huh?
Looks like snot can also be a balloon. Place the balloon on top of the roll and pull through the bottom. Grab a permanent marker and make the eyes. Color the smile in. And color the balloon in. Glue the little crown on and voila! This is the cutest little DIY toy you can make. Now that's a 5-star review well earned.
I love popping bubble wrap. Just need my handy dandy syringe to make it more fun. Squirt some color. And let's fill these bad boys up. You can use a Q-tip to add some more paint on top. And tweezers to place the little pearls. We're ready to squeeze.